Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So I look crazy right now, and if you can't tell, I'm in a new area. This is gonna be my new place for who knows how long, but I'm excited to show you guys how my room is coming out. It's currently 9:30 and it is Sunday, so I'm only going to be staying here for like a couple more days, and then I have to go back to my dorm and get the rest of my things, and then I'm driving back home. So I thought I would vlog for you guys today because this is such a fun time. Like, I did finish setting up my stuff, and I haven't completely decorated my room yet, so I'm still in the process of just slowly trying to look at things. But we're fine. Also, don't mind how much I'm breaking out. Actually, I'm not breaking out too much right here. Is that a spider? It's not. I don't know what's wrong with me. But yeah, this is my bed. It's right next to the window, so it's perfect for me laying down and talking to you guys. Today on the agenda, I'm going to return these sheets because they feel so scratchy and they were just so uncomfortable. I got them at Target. They were $60, which my old sheets at my old room were like $20, and they were the softest things ever. Also, look at how cute this Squishmallow is. Johnny got this for me. He didn't realize how small it was. We named it Teddy or Theodore. It's cute. I want a big one. But anyways, I'm going to take you along with me throughout my day. So I think I'll get ready real quick and talk to you guys then. So I just finished getting ready. These are second day curls, but I changed. If you guys want to know my scent of the day, I got this new perfume inspired by my friend Natalie. I always mention her, but it's this Rihanna perfume. I found it at Ross for like $10, and I think it's something Fleur. I forget the name. It smells just like Into the Night. So I put Into the Night body cream and that perfume on. Ooh. And that is it. We're gonna go. I'm gonna just take my phone and vlog on my phone because I don't feel like carrying around my camera. But when we get back, I will do a hygiene haul and a little hygiene collection, like show you guys my collection. So yeah. So I'm at Target, and I'm finally in a Target where there's no music, so I don't have to worry about getting copyrighted. I returned my bedding. I'm gonna find a new one right now, and then I'm getting these house slippers because I feel bad wearing my shoes in the house when I go to the bathroom and stuff. But we're gonna look for bedding, and I will show you guys which one I get. This is what I have so far. I think I'm gonna get this white sheet. It feels softer, and then this throw blanket. I think it's super cute. I think these are what I'm going to pick up. I love their pillows, but they're so expensive. Like, I don't want to pay $30 for a pillow. So we're gonna check out the hygiene section now, of course. This is what the bed looks like. I kind of messed it up because I was laying in it, but that is okay. Don't mind the trash on the floor. I need to take out some of my trash. I think this looks really cute. Okay, so I hope you guys don't mind. I live on a really busy street, but really quickly, I'm going to share with you guys a Target haul. I picked up this Up and Up Soothe and Soften Shea body wash with oatmeal butter. It smells to die for. It's a very light, mild scent, but it was super cheap, so I had to pick it up. And then I bought this hand soap because we need a hand soap in the bathroom. I also bought this, which is right here. I bought the Vaseline Cocoa Shimmer Jelly Stick. I have the regular one, but I loved that this one is part of their cocoa line. It smells so good. And it's like gold, so it should be shimmery. I don't know if it is, but it should be. I don't know. Hopefully this works. But I love it, and it's super good. So pick this up. I also picked up this Love Beauty and Planet Shea Velvet Body Lotion. Smells amazing, and the formula is okay. It's kind of thin, but it's all right, you know. And I also picked up recently this Tsubaki Blossom Lotion by OGX. I found this at Ross for $5.99, and I heard Living Ash talk about it, and I was like, oh, I have to pick it up because she raved about it and said it was really good. So I picked this up. And I also picked up another OGX coconut and coffee body wash because I am just so scared it's gonna be discontinued or it's gonna come out of stock again and I'm not gonna be able to find it. So I just had to pick another one up, but it's in my shower right now. Let me show you guys my hygiene organization so far, and we'll do that. So this room came with like this cabinet thing, so I put some of my stuff in here. I'll just open it up for you guys. So I don't have all of my fragrances and hygiene products here. I left some in my apartment that I live in for school because I'm going to be taking that stuff home for videos and stuff. So I just have a few things, and then here it's definitely going to be a lot more organized. I just haven't found an organizational way to do this. And in this drawer I have like some of my scrubs. Again, I don't have all of them with me, pads and tampons just cuz. But in here it's like my lotion, my body washes, and my bar soap. So yeah, how cute. Let me fix this. This looks terrible like that. So like this, look at how cute. I'm obsessed. And as for my perfume, again, I kind of want one of those like twisty things, like the little turnable perfume organizers. I put this little picture here. I thought it looked cute, and I just have all of my perfumes, or some of them. I have a few left at my apartment, but these are most of them. This is the newest one that I bought, like I showed you guys, and I think it smells really good. It smells identical to Into the Night. So if you want one that's like super, super long lasting, check out the Rihanna one. I also picked up some Dunkin'. I live pretty close to a Dunkin'. Iced vanilla latte is amazing. And I think I'm just gonna chill for a little bit. I really had to go to the bathroom, so I had to rush home. But I'll probably go out again a little later after I chill for a bit. Also, Big Lots was a fail. There was nothing there. I couldn't find my shower shelves. So I'll probably just have to order those online, but I'm gonna chill for a bit and then I will probably take you guys with me for the rest of the day. It's only, let's see, it's only 1 p.m. So we got a lot of time, you know? So I am officially the worst vlogger ever. Totally forgot to take you guys with me, but I picked up some lunch. I got pokey. Look how good this looks. And I have a water bottle. I came back from TJ Maxx and Ross just to buy a few more things, and I have some exciting things to show you guys. I'm gonna eat this first, or let me just go ahead and share with you guys the stuff. I got some shower shells. These can be really expensive at Target. They were only 10 bucks each at TJ Maxx, so check it out there. And then I also got one of these like makeup cases. It was $12 and I just picked that up, but I'll show you guys my rug because I did buy a rug from Ross and I really, really like it actually. So I'll show you guys that when I'm done eating. I apologize for how terrible of a vlogger I've been. I just haven't vlogged in so long that I keep forgetting. Also, my landlord gave me some cute little apricots. They're adorable. Look at how teeny tiny these are. So sweet of her. But I'm gonna eat this and then I will share with you guys my rug. So here is the new rug I got. It was only $20 from Ross, so I think that's pretty good. I think it looks cute. And I have some trash I need to take out. But besides that, I think the room is coming together. Also, an update on the shower shelves. I need to return them because they keep falling. I don't know what's wrong with them. I think they're just a little too cheap. So I'm gonna return them tomorrow or whenever I have time. Probably before I go home, definitely. But I got this new makeup case and I just thought I would show you guys what it looks like. I'm not like obsessed with the print. I think it's okay, but it's a little too busy for me. You guys know I'm a little more of a simple kind of gal. So in this side it has like the little plastic part and you can put your makeup in here. And then there's one more zipper. Kind of looks like a school lunch pail, but you know. Okay, and this side is another pouch as well. So you can like hang it too. So I think this will be perfect, and also perfect for when I travel to New York in July. So I'm gonna move my makeup on that side. Also, I posted a TikTok. I've been trying to be a lot more active on TikTok, so definitely follow me if you want. I don't really know what else I'm gonna do for the day. I ate my poke. Honestly, was not even that good. Not gonna lie, it was kind of disgusting. But maybe I'll get some boba later. That kind of sounds good, right? Yeah, maybe some boba we will get. But I need to clean my room and I need to just like throw out some trash and stuff. I just know that I'm gonna get more and more trash, so I'm waiting. But yeah, that is what everything looks like. Do you guys want to see my closet? I'll just show you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys could care less. Okay, so here is what it looks like. I got this from Ross recently. It was only like $5 and I put my jeans in here. I need to organize it better. But jeans and then like leggings and some shorts. I need to get more hangers as well because I have a lot more clothes coming, but that's hung. And then in this back right there, it's just some sweaters. I also picked up these little storage organizers and I put my bras and underwears, PJs, and just like sleep shirts. I need to figure out what I'm going to take home and what I'm going to pack and leave here. But yeah, you guys, I feel like the lighting in this room is honestly killing it. Also, I lost a nail. I need to glue that back on. I feel really great about this room. I really love it. I think it's cute. I still need to figure out where I'm going to film and where my filming setup is going to be. That is a later issue though, because I didn't even bring my big tripod with me to film anything, and I don't have all of my stuff, so I can't even film that much, which kind of sucks. But that's okay. I think now I'm just gonna look over some of my school stuff because I do still have one final left. What is this mark? That's weird. But I still have one final left, so I'm gonna look over some school stuff and I will talk to you guys later. So it's a little while later and I am going to show you guys my hygiene products of the night and my scents, of course. So I'm going to go in with my Up and Up Soothe and Soften Shea body wash. This stuff is so good. It smells amazing. Let me pause my show real quick. Okay, so I'm going to use this, and for lotion I'm going to use my new Love Beauty and Planet Shea Velvet body lotion. This stuff smells so good. And of course, Dove 0% aluminum shea butter scent deodorant, and my warm vanilla sugar body spray. This stuff smells so good. I honestly have not used this in so long. Smells perfect. And on top, finally, we're gonna take our vanilla bourbon by Mix Bar. Those are my hygiene products of the night, and now that that's all done, I think I'm going to end off this vlog. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me throughout my day, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my room, my new space. This is going to be, you know, our new little home for a while. I'm really excited for what the future has to come, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!